Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And if you are looking to travel to fly to any other countries and you don't really care where, and also you have flexible dates, I'm gonna show you how to do this and find the cheapest and the best flight to your dreamed vacation. But first, if you like the video, I would like you to hit the like button. So let's get started. So we have to come here to Google, and in the search bar just say Google flights. Okay? Google flights, so that's perfect, and you have to click on the first, usually on the first result, like the flights. Okay, so here we are. And now, where from? This is the most important question. Where are you going from depart? Okay, so just imagine that I am in Toronto, I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Okay, that's perfect. And where to? As I said, we just wanna travel, I don't care where to go. And in the departure, we are gonna not say anything at all, just push explore. And why? Because it's gonna say, okay, says in pounds, but you can change also the currency. For example, I use euros, so I just click here, GBP, no, I want to see the price in euros, so let's go euro. Okay, now it's gonna update again the prices, and it says, okay, I'm from here, and departing from Toronto and to New York, it's 139 euro only. But when? This is the most important question, when? So we click on that, and it says New York from Monday 6 May to Wednesday 15 of May. Fly Airlines, it will be 139 euro only. Well, this travel is for 1 week, as I can see. We can also, here you see, 1 week trip in the next 6 months. So if we click here, we can say in which month do we prefer to travel and how long, 1 week, 2 weeks, or just a weekend. So this is the perfect. Just for example, I want to go in a weekend of March, that this is this month, to Chicago, for example, and give me the best prices. So to Chicago, just 246 euro is the cheapest, okay, with Porter Airlines. And it says prices are currently typical. What does it mean? That the prices, the range of the price is on the normal price for this kind of round trip, okay? But not just in the USA. If we just, for example, say anytime for 2 weeks, done, and I wanna go to Europe, for example, to Italy, let's see, to Rome. Oh my god, just 489 euro. It's not that bad. And when? You see, prices are currently low than usual. This is a good price, but when is gonna be? From 30 to 28 of May. If this is perfect for you, you can just check on the airline, just make a reservation through this webpage. And if we hit in the price graph just here, we can see which dates are for 2 weeks travel. The prices are gonna go higher or lower. You see, we are in April, we can go here, July, 15-day trip, let's go like 21-day trip. The prices are higher prices than the usual ones. So you can check here as I showed you how to find the best prices to fly anywhere. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, just push the like button, subscribe if you are not yet, and hope to see you in the next video.